I feel good. Banana, banana. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with the Portal Master. We're going to be doing a Gary's Mod game with mods. I'm including his audio, if you can hear.
I'm just trying to... Just wait.
You can go check out... You can go check out...
Gary's Mod.
You can go check out his video on his channel. It's the Portal Master.
It should be in the link in the description.
Down below. Yep.
Okay, so what was... Oh,
we're going to be doing a race. We're going to customize our vehicles.
We're going to do a race, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's stop. Stop by doing that. Marco, see, I found your vehicle.
No.
What are you doing? That's a drone.
Alright, so...
That's Minecraft.
Mining away. I don't know what to mine. What the? Okay, I spawned like juking. We should have done Mobenics. We'll do that
later.
We're going to make another video on this map called Mobenics. This is just like a mess around video because.
Yeah, but we're gonna do a race as well. You destroyed my car.
What do you mean I destroyed your car? You're the one who put the Windows XP one.
Fires. Oh, there you are. Okay, let's put our colors on.
Alright. If you don't know how to put in your colors, I will show you how to. I'm gonna go for like that. What you do is you go to others and you get your toolbar out. Then on the side here,
this is not a tutorial video,
you click on material. I'm pretty sure. And then you choose whichever material you want. I'm gonna make the love mobile. I made this before.
Why does this always takes ages to build?
You know I can hear you.
Yeah, of course. Do you want me to help you on?
No. How dare? Oh, bird poo. Is that bird poo? What are you doing?
Fixing it up. You want some wood chips?
No, I do not want some wood chips.
I'm gonna be here.
I'm still trying to put on a force.
Come on, guys. I'll cut the video.
Okay, go.
Wait, no, you're not gonna come back. No, you got Frost as a cheater. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo!
What a cheater!
We never said.
You put in the comment section. Cheater.
Yeah, put in the comment section.
Marcos is a cheater.
What do you?
Oh no!
Yes, you fell off! Oh no! I got stuck! I got stuck! Dang it, I got stuck. Ow! Come on, halfway. Oh no, no. Other. Jeff.
Marcos, where are you?
I'm coming.
Come where I am. I'm gonna start from here, alright? Marcos?
Yeah.
Just come where I am, so we can get like a checkpoint here. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Why do you want to use frosted?
Because they're easy as. Whoa.
Yeah, this time no more checkpoints and stuff.
For the coins. Before we made this.
Oh, trees!
Uh-oh. Something happened to my car. Hold on.
Oh, it's awesome.
I don't care if you win, to be honest. Before the video we made.
We're gonna do another race anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna do another race. This is just like a practice kind of.
Oh, I hit this. You got Frost? Oh, there you are, you're coming!
Oh! Oh no!
Oh, that's like crazy.
It's It's cause I somehow got stuck in the middle of the road. I just couldn't drive.
Yeah, I'm up to the gas station. It's halfway. Not halfway.
Yeah, okay. Alright, you go. I'm coming. I'm on the highway just before the gas station. I'm at the turn. Alright,
I'm doing 160.
Oh, I flipped. Alright, highway, let's go. Thrusters time.
You should drift on the side.
Uh-oh. No. I clicked the wrong button. No. I'm gonna blow up. My car's gonna blow up.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, it didn't.
I finished.
My car's on fire. Yeah, the Portal Master won.
Yeah, the Portal Master won.
My car, it blew up. DNF. I can't.
Okay, let's do my medics. Cut now.
Alright, so...
Hey, stop your video.
No, I won't.
No, you have to. Marcos, I already stopped mine.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load in Robenics.